Welcome back to the Knot of the Week series. This week, we look at the sheep bend. The sheep bend is also known as the weaver's knot and the weaver's hitch. Make a hitch in the thicker rope. Now take the smaller rope and go through the loop. Behind both strands of the thicker rope, starting on the side with the short end of the rope. Once around, take the working end back under the standing end of the same rope. Pull the two standing ends to tighten. The weaver's knot is tied by crossing two lines, like this. Take the standing part of the rope that is on the back side over itself and your thumb. Now, take the working end of the other rope and pass it through the loop you created. Pull the two ends of the second rope while pulling the standing part of the first rope to tighten. The sheep bend is used to join two ropes together. While it can bind two similar ropes, it is usually used when the ropes have unequal diameters or rigidness. The weaver's knot is structurally the same as the sheep bend, but is tied differently as we saw above. It is usually used when tying smaller ropes, thread, or yarn. You can find these knots in use in knitting and other crafts, as well as the creation of nets. Note how in all of the examples, the two short ends of the rope are found on the same side. Having these on opposite sides is known as the left-handed sheep bend, which isn't as secure and should be avoided in favor of the right-handed version. Thank you for watching this episode of Knot of the Week. Check back next week when we look at the sheep shank. If you have a request for a future knot, please let us know in the comments below.